Can we go now? Dang! What? Oh no! You're an idiot. And our sponsor is Moto Amino. What is Moto Amino? It's an app for your phone, bro. You need to download this app. Follow me. I'm Jake at TGS. It stands for TheGardenSnake. We try to use the other social medias that exist out there, and we can try to, make groups and categories within them. But that's never gonna really. Moto Amino is built from the ground up for people who are into motorcycles. They got categories for no matter what kind of riding you're into, whether it's supermotos or sport bikes. They got it all, man. When you go to a meet, for instance, right? And you go for, oh, look, there's the guys with the bikes like mine. Oh, yeah, I gotta question them about that one thing. Really great. That's always fun to have that interaction. But unless you go to a meet all the time, how you gonna do it? Moto Amino, and it's like, bam, it's like you're at a meet, but you're on your phone. Follow me on there. Maybe you'll see something random that you've been just seeing in the background here. I don't know. Check out a community, join a group, talk to some people. That's what people always ask me. Like, oh, Jake, that's so cool. You have this big group of people you ride with, you hang out with. Oh, I wish I had that. Dude, they do it. There's Moto Amino meets all the time, man. If I can make this bullseye on the first try, you have to tell 3 of your friends about it too. Sure, check out Moto Amino. And now for the video. Today is Supermoto Sunday, but it's been raining all night. This is what's gonna separate the men from the boys. We're technically late right now. We did bring our bikes in the truck, but I'm not the late guy. I'm the donut guy. Therefore, I'm okay. Hey, I'm the donut guy. Being late.
Nobody looks mad that we're late, huh? Nobody that f***ing mad.
This should be good right though. I gotta get this on film, man. This is what this kid, this is what this kid wears to a Supermoto Sunday with mud. He's got the... Alright, we're going, woo! Yeah, that bike isn't making it too far. That's his thing, he can do that. He did it, yay, okay. Woo! Can we go now? Let's go hit these guys. I don't know who they are. I'm in the wrong gear. Woo! Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. That's bad, that's bad. The sport bikes just all ran up into each other, then one hit and went over onto her.
Who invited the sport bikes?
The sport bikes were just in front of us. They weren't with us on the ride. We do need to get out of here. Come on, let's go, boys. Me, dude. Oh my God. Slick up there. Uh-oh, he dropped their shell. Dank wheelie. Come on, Dank. No, no, Dank. 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 Yeah, come this way. This is good. Come on, man. Yeah, there it is. Ooh, that was a slow attempt. He's all right. He looks all right. Woo! You have the right idea. Momentum is your friend. Stay to the side of the mud. Yeah, he did it. This guy's smoking a cigarette. You don't give a f, bro. You got this, dude. I think we're good. Let's go f around in the lot over there.
It used to be me and this guy right here and like 5 other people. Backlash! This is gonna get the cops called. Dank on the sport bike. Wow! All right. Oh. All right, Bubs. I hate to tell you this right now, but apparently the cops have been called. Yeah, we gotta get going, guys. Oh! Oh no, dang! This is the worst bit. I'm gonna do a sweep run. Yeah, I'll be right back. Holy shit. It's a little slick. I wasn't even on the brakes, it just went. Woo!
What's the difference between me and you?
B-Reds, what is this guy doing, man? You gonna do it, Brad? You gonna do it? Are you gonna do it? Okay. Oh, no. Oh God, it's going the wrong way. You're an idiot. Oh, he's coming down. How you doing? What's up? I am doing a video. You want to be in my video? What's your name? What is it? Nick? What's up, dude? Yeah. The 500? Yes. Yeah, those are fun, man. I'm going.